Hey guys, it's Jessi and Zach and Jamie's hiding.
Hi.
And we just drove about 40 minutes and we're gonna go to a food truck carnival. Alright, so we're about to go eat some delicious food. I'm most excited for the fire truck that serves crepes. Zach, what about you?
I'm thinking tacos.
Jamie?
Tacos do sound nice.
Do they?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a bit. Right now, the Firehouse crepes are not taking orders. We finally got in line for the crepes and it's freezing, so we are trying to stay warm and wait for our nice warm toasty crepes to get here. We finally got our crepes and we're freezing and they're delicious. But yeah, so we're cold, we're heading to the car. Game over. Best part is Zach almost just dropped all the pizza and we would have been in trouble because Jamie's hiding out in the car because he was silly and wore short sleeves and shorts. So yes, it is freezing, it is windy, and we're getting out of here.